Yandex.Disk file storage honest review watch before using. Most people get this wrong. They assume all cloud storage services are the same, but Yandex.Disk offers a reliable, secure, and feature-rich platform for personal and professional file storage. Yandex.Disk allows users to upload, sync, and share files across devices. One standout feature is its integration with Yandex.Mail and other Yandex services, making it easy to manage documents, photos, and videos in one ecosystem. Most people assume cloud storage is only about space. The surprising truth is Yandex.Disk offers collaboration features, version control, and secure sharing links, making it practical for team projects or client work. Files can also be encrypted for added security. Another advantage is the generous free storage and affordable paid plans. Users can start with the free tier and upgrade as needed, scaling storage without hassle. Desktop and mobile apps provide seamless access across devices. However, there are some considerations. Yandex.Disk is less known outside Russia, so support and integration with third-party apps may be limited compared to global competitors. Also, speed and upload performance can vary depending on location. In conclusion, Yandex.Disk is a dependable cloud storage service with secure sharing, collaboration tools, and cross-device access. It's suitable for users who need reliable file management within the Yandex ecosystem. Subscribe for more honest file storage reviews before choosing your next cloud solution.